Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add a code which is going to be US30. So as you can see at the bottom, you add the bottom left, which is the code on the code sign, and you can see we have codes in front of us. On the top right you can see we have a pen and the plus sign, so we're going to click on the plus sign to add the code, plus sign, and then we're going to be trading indices. So this means we're going to go to the indices folder. As you can see on the third last folder at the bottom, we can just click on that, and then we scroll down, we see US30, we click on US30, and then we go back to the codes. As you can see, now US30 is added. So this is how you add a code. If you like to remove a code, you just click on the pen, and then you click on the bin, and then you click on the one which you won't be using, which in this case is going to be AUD/USD. We click on that, we click delete, and then it's gone, right? So if you want to delete it, you can just leave it there, there's no need. So these are the two that we're going to be trading, and yeah, so that's it.